So welcome back to Power Court in Luton, and first obvious change today is that the car park that I'm studying has been made airport parking. So clearly a better way to make some money for the club. This car park was always empty. Come across the top here, we've got that drainage that was here last time. Doesn't look like any of that's been touched yet. I'm battling the sun today. Now the query on the last one was that protected area and whether that was the site of the pitch. That area still, as I come across on the train, looks like it's been left untouched. Remember, these flights are with permission of the airport. Just had the usual chat with them, going through the disclaimers. To try and show just how big that area is today. So you can see it coming into shot now. Lovely clear sky today. As we pan right, you can see there's that area, which to me looks like it's been left for the pitch. Does seem rather early for it to be a pitch, of course, but it does have a goalpost at one end. That could just be to give people an idea as they pass on the train. A few people said there wasn't much area behind it, but you can see there the actual full site. Now, you'll have to make your own mind up whether there's enough room for a football stadium behind it. I believe there is. If not, where else is it going to go? So, if we hang the drone there, you can see the amount of space behind there for a football stand. Just give you an idea of how close we are to the airport. There's a plane just coming into land there. That's why you have to have the operator's permission, which that's kindly granted for the next 12 months. Lots of site clearance every time I pass on the train on a morning. They're working here. Still lots happening on that far side. There's that area there. You can see just how big this space is. I'm going to try and there you can see there, that is quite a big area. You zoom in, there's the goal. That's the area behind it. Go up to the roundabout. What we'll do, head over that way, have a closer look at what's been happening here. So as I said, as I pass on the train, they're normally doing the stonework here at the clearance. It's Saturday morning, so nobody working today. Substation in place. There's the river. No works to knock down the old one yet. assume that's still being used. Look back across this area here. Definitely does look like it's been protected for some reason. It's just a guess that is the pitch position, but we'll see in the future. So there's that new substation on the left. Over the Thameslink line at the moment. And then down towards this end, this is where there's a lot of work going on. We can come across here. See, they've really dug down here. Progress is definitely happening here in Luton. There's that massive pile of drainage that hasn't been put in yet. What I'll do is come across this gap. I'll drop the drone down, you can see just how deep they've dug. There's still no sign of any major construction work. That's how the stadium site looks in March. Where are we at today? March the 8th. Like I said before, it'll be monthly to 5 weeks. Obviously for where we are, we can't use the big drone here. And then as we're here, there's been a lot of talk about where the former Beauty Street station was. So I'll quickly show what's happened there. We're allowed up to 80 metres, so we can come across and have a quick look. And as you can see here, this site was cleared. Been cleared a long time now, but nothing actually happening there. So that site completely cleared and paused. I don't think we can see the Lansdowne Club from here. That's another site just at the top of the picture there, which has been cleared and also paused. Yeah, there's nothing, no sign of any construction here now. Also the used car garage there on the left is going to also be a residential tower, but again, no sign of anything there. So we'll be back next month. Please do share the video if you've enjoyed it. Drop me a like. If you're new, subscribe to the channel. We're following Universal in Bedford, HS2 and the Luton Station, the Luton Stadium even. And we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.